Happy
I'm back.
Day.
Morning.
Let's see which way we want to manipulate. Do you think we're before 6:30? Do you think we're going up or going down for the manipulation? Because
I think we're going down, and then we can retrace back to that gap that we were waiting yesterday. Make more sense. But if we just display lower, we might just keep just selling off, right? It depends on what happens here. If we have a good rejection, we're gonna retrace back. But if we have a sell off and we have a gap, it's probably gonna be just a continuation day towards the sell side right here. So yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, Chad. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Abby.
hi,
Happy to be here. I'm so happy to be here today.
I'm watching to manually close a. Whoa, my screen went black, and I'm watching to
You
manually
what?
a trade on my crypto account.
Oh, share the chart. Let me see that trade.
And it's not
So I'm
great.
here to prove. Can you remember the thing that I told you the other day about the dark background charts? Yesterday I lost and I had a dark background. So today I have a
You said
light
you were gonna.
background.
No, it's not because you have a dark background that you lost, Angel.
Yeah, I know it. That was the reason.
No, it
If I
wasn't.
win today, let's say if I have a
No,
winner today, that's 100% the
no,
reason.
no. Chat. Tell him you didn't
Hola,
lose because of the
amigos.
dark background. You lost because it just is part of the process.
It was because of the dark background. Prove me wrong. All right.
Put
Good
the dark
morning
background
again.
for a week straight. Get some real data behind it.
I'm afraid that if I do that and I cannot win every single day, I'll just blow every single active account. So I'm not sure if I'm willing to take that risk.
Well, you
You
don't
know?
have any active accounts. You have an eval. So go ahead and switch that thing over to a dark background. Give it a try.
I'm gonna just keep it for today. I'm gonna keep it today. I want to just because I want to share like a anger. All right. Well, what are we doing here?
Whatever you say, sir.
What are we doing here? Okay.
All right.
Is it too early to take this long? It doesn't look too bad.
I actually, I don't know. Yeah, I
3 minutes into the open.
there's definitely some areas above and below
Yeah.
that
You have.
price action could go. So
Yeah. Look at this smooth highs. Look at this smooth highs right here. Yep.
I will be waiting until there is a very, very obvious trend. And then I'm going to get in. How's the music, fams? Is it too loud or is it good? Good morning. Good morning.
Look at those smooth highs right there. If we have this gap right here and we don't sweat that high, we're easily gonna get rebalance and then blast the highs. What else do we have here? I mean, I like yesterday highs as well. New Year high. Good afternoon, Jugglemaster. Good evening, good afternoon. What time is it there? Oof. You know what the issue is? This is a barcode though. This is a Chop Suey, Chop City barcode. Look at this. So Asia and London were just accumulation. This is a range, new range. So we could just be manipulating London lows out of the open to print higher. Do we have that gap? I think so. Yes. Okay. This is too wide for me. too wide for me to take. But we have like enough confirmation out of this gap. I will take it. First target is this high right here. Oops.
Guys,
so our guest today is
I bought a TV for my living room yesterday, and it's been like 8 months since I moved in. Like, we don't watch
but
TV.
That's nice.
But yesterday we went through like a list of things. We were like, what should we do? Like, should we go bowling? Should we go on a hike? Should we go do this? And every single thing, like, we've been so active lately that we didn't want to do anything, but we still wanted to do something and feel like we were doing something. So we went to the store and we bought a television, but like, we're just girls. The television was 65 inches, which apparently is just huge.
Yeah, it is. Like the box.
It was like 65 inches. And so let me see if I can show you guys. Not only did we buy this TV, but we carried it all by ourselves, brought it inside.
Whoa.
And then we got an electric drill, and we decided that we were going to put it on the wall. But there's no studs on the wall. So there's like 25 holes in the wall. Because I couldn't find any studs. And so we ended up getting, like, I could hang off of it. I'm like 120 pounds. I was like, if I can hang off of it, like, the TV will probably be fine. So I just left it, and then, yeah, hopefully it doesn't fall, and hopefully we don't get any, what are those things called? Earthquakes? Yeah. Yeah, we'll hope for the best on that.
What do you mean earthquakes?
Hello,
everyone. All right, we have a nice reaction out of this. Let's see if we can create like an IFPG out of this area for me to frame along. Okay, this is good. This is good to bring to that high one to London highs.
Yeah, so Austin has like a whole team that edit his clips, and PFM have like one guy, but they're slacking apparently. Like, so yeah, we just hire somebody. Hey, if anybody's good at editing and wants to edit our clips, drop a resume in the chat. Thanks. Send this
to you. You guys like this?
Yeah, if anybody knows
too early, but I like this.
Who likes to edit videos and clip videos and stuff, send this to them. Send it to them. What are you talking about? Anhal?
Maybe it's too early, but I'm taking this long right here. Targeting that high.
Okay. Because you wanted to take the high?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't tell you, but I'm in that trade already.
Oh my god. And looks like we're out of the trade. That fast.
I'm not.
Oh my god. All right.
Like, definitely needs room, but I have my thing up at like 71. Front run the highs a little bit.
And I think this is... There's no way we're going to fade the highs again.
Yeah, so I knew that they're supposed to be every 16 inches. I found one on accident. And we had anchors, but the anchors are just... Why? Like, the anchors are just trash. So we just put a bunch in there. Because I know there's those strips that if you put a bunch of nails in it, it like works as if it is an anchor, but you know. Do, 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 do.
It looks like we're fading the highs again because we have an SMT with ES out of this high.
Good.
We're fading lower.
Love
So
that. Guys, I feel like I should have held my crypto trade.
did you close?
Yeah, I closed 1,000 in profit. But I just didn't want to sit through this, to be honest.
Yeah, I really wanted to see those highs. Now what? Okay, the lows. Logging right here on the trade walker.
Okay, I need to log into my E8 type. We got 40% off of E8 Pro V2 accounts with the 400K and the 500K accounts. So, do you know what's going on right now with Rise?
There was an outage,
Hmm.
right? But it's back to normal, so now you can get paid without any issues.
Ah, okay. Okay. Fun.
All right. I have only one shot left on this session. And it seems like we're going to take the lows and then go back higher again. It's not like a great idea. Or are we just going to flush? What do you think? How are you feeling, Abby? Let me put some pulse right here.
I don't know. I told you I'm waiting for a trend.
You're waiting for a trend. Waiting for a trend.
Shut up.
Da-da-da. I like it. I like that.
But ADX says short term play. I feel like I trade too many different types of accounts with E8. I don't know what any of the rules are, like drawdown and stuff. I've had this crypto account for a minute. I wonder, like, if you can.
Bushido, yes. I'm surprised. I'm surprised too. I wanted to see at least that high before just going and take out the sell side, but ES took out that high, so we have an SMT. I guess that's the reason why. But we can easily just take out this Asian. I think this is previously low, right? Yeah, it's previously low. We can just take previously low and then get back into the range. I don't know. Chop sway, I'll say. Let me start a poll. All right, if we have this gap on the 5 minute and we don't take out that high, that low, it's probably gonna happen.
15-minute opening range is set.
What?
$740, $725.
You don't trade EC? Not really. I don't. At least not in public.
You what?
Someone asked from X if I trade GC. I don't really trade GC. I
Like-
try it, like gold, yeah, gold futures. Oh, you actually shared an analysis yesterday, right? It was yesterday.
Yeah. My cute little analysis.
The 3 cents. Oh, share the chart. How is it going? Let's see how it's going. Oh wow.
Yeah, we mostly we have guests on that trade gold. Some of us trade gold. Ken trades gold. Sometimes. He's not a big fan of it either, but sometimes he does. And there's people that we bring on that exclusively trade it. We don't trade it personally, me and Angel, but we're mostly NASDAQ and crypto and yeah, NASDAQ.
This might be an auto block though.
Do
We
what?
have S&T with London lows, with London highs. We have previous A low resting plus liquidity right there. I don't know. Seems like we're setting up a great short. 950 is coming. I need to log in on the trading page. I'm just gonna hop off for a second while logged in. Hope you guys don't mind it at all. Well, I could just logged in right here.
Oh, I didn't even realize I'm not sharing my screen.
You are not.
My bad. All right, we have broken one side of the range. Looking for, it will probably come down and take those lows.
Oh my god. We just take out the previous A low. So
take profit. If there's 2,701 in this account. So to pass the 100K accounts, you need $9,000, right? For crypto?
Yep. If you have 100K EA1, yes. Correct.
What is 9,000 minus 2,700? 32, 33.
9,000 minus 2,700 is 6,300.
Oh, good thing I asked. All right, price. What do I say? Like 58. Let's say 59,000. No. 59,200. 59,300. Yes. All right, that will be my TP.
All right, we just we swept previous day low. Now what?
Give me that big sell energy. There's so many like there's POC above yesterday's VWAP, overnight VWAP, New York VWAP. I'd like to see this just engage those and sell off, but
We might.
our market's
I don't know.
so cruddy.
We're above the opening print. Back up off. Bushido, you're one micro. Where? Longs or shorts?
He's long.
He's long. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, the stops are really, really wider today.
Oh, he's short. What? The inversion.
Short, 690. Oh, you short here? You're on here? Well, you should have maybe take some profit out of the previous day low. Right?
Yeah, TM, I could see it faking us all out and going and taking both sides of the range.
I think we now are gonna get and take out that high. I was just early, maybe. It's just early.
Yeah, like, come on now.
Seek and destroy. Yep, 100% Bushido, you're right. This is a seek and destroy. Why? Because on a normal bullish day, we will just react out of the first presented and take out a London high that is this close. Instead, we failed. We took out now previous day low, and then we get back to take. Yeah, this is crazy price action right here. Be aware. Just be aware this is seek and destroy price action. Okay. Am I? Why I cannot hear you, Abby? That's on me.
Oh, no, that's on me.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Sorry. I think I might try a little long.
Long. Yeah, I like what you see here.
29. I'm going to try to wait for it to come back down. 29. VWAP 29,710 would be ideal. 29,710.
Reacting out of the opening print. Let me see. Oh my god.
Yo,
Oh my god.
if this just like goes down.
No, I mean, we should hold this one. I'll say after the first one that I took, I'll be like more hesitant, but we should hold this gap right here. If we don't, there's definitely something that I'm missing. But I'm not gonna take this one just because I just took this one right here very early on the session and I just got clapped. I'm fading in for the moment.
That's not a fade. That's conservation.
You're right. That's why you're the best, right?
No, I'm not. Still learning.
Do you guys like this setup? I mean, this is not too bad. If I will say, let's say we have a gap right here, and if we inverse that one, then I'll full point. No, I'm not joking, but I'll like this longer here.
I have 3 contracts on, and I feel like that was a mistake. I don't know why I should definitely just be trading with like 1 contract, especially on a day like today. Price action. I'm going to take 2 off once I get back break even because I don't like it.
This doesn't seems like, like when they have like follow through, should be kind of like quicker than this.
All right, there.
Doesn't mean it's not gonna work.
1. I took off 2, so I have 1 contract on. So now I can just be in the trade and not feel the trade. Today's definitely not like a good day so far. This is one of those days where I'd probably just like leave, go on a hike or something, but we're here for 2 hours, so I can't.
I mean,
be in on something.
I mean, look at this 15-minute candles right here. Tell me about getting on a barcode chop sway area. Is this? So we've seen days like this before. It's like he's actually trying to get into discount, but there's something holding the price, and I think it's that low right there.
Say again.
That low, this low right here from
about
June 12th. We're might aiming for that low. What is this? We're holding from here. I'm just trying to frame something that makes sense because it's very choppy and we swept previous day low and we're failing to take out London highs and we have relative equal highs right here. So this is nonsense. I mean, it's nonsense.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't say like thinking like I was short biased, but I don't know. This is why, you know what? I'm gonna close my trade break even. Because
I'm just gonna look down myself real quick and then I'll see how everything works.
No, because I literally said this. I was like, I'm gonna wait for the trend to set up, and then what do? I let me get into trades. Eagle. That influence. Okay. You don't trade the open anyways. Don't do that.
No, I don't. I don't trade the open. I don't like it because it's okay. Look at this.
I'm gonna wait for the
Okay, guys, look at this. We have an SMT now on the highs, a new one. So I might just spend my last shot on this trade. I might. Let me see. This is like a 1 to 2R. And also like close. So we have any other gaps right here. Okay. I need to see a close out of this gap. Maybe if it's inverse. And it's going to confirm that we're going to short. But I need to see one more close out of this. So we have this gap right here.
Such a great past 2 days. And then it's a day like
today.
today.
And then just
my confidence.
Crappy price action. Just absolutely chop fest on price action. I
feel like I need to invest in colored lights because today would be a day that I just turn the room red.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have a Neo SMT put on. Now this one. And this one. Okay. Okay. Can we just form a new gap right here? I'm going to take the 2 minute. In 2 minutes, I might give it a shot. Give it. All right. The only issue with this one, if like we still have this gap, so next candle can even print and tap into this gap with this price action, which is possible. So it will make sense to protect even higher because of that. And that's a really wide stop that I just don't want to be engaged.
If you size lower.
No, thank you. No, you're right. Actually, you're right. I should size lower if I really wanted to protect this high and then trade micros. You're actually right, but maybe this is not too bad. This is not too bad. You have the M2 now. Where's the M3? We have almost everything, just no gap for a retracement.
Definitely.
I'm just gonna
520 level to get taken.
520? Yeah, I like it.
We just need to like get a good push, you know?
Yeah, I'm wondering actually, Abby, if we're just dropping more sellers here, because now it's getting kind of obvious that we're just gonna get to that low, right? After failing this gap. So I'm thinking we might try sellers here. We keep one stride higher, and that's where we're just gonna go low, right? Because this is a chop.
So
chop right here.
Let me ask you this, Angel. Why are you trading chop?
Why am I trading what?
Why are you trading the chop?
No, I'm not trading the chop. I'm trying to understand what the chop is trying to do to get something clear once it happens. So for now, I'm just going to see. But it doesn't look bad to short now after this SMT. Where is the real thing? Because where am I going to put my stop if I want to short here? That's a good question. Since we have this gap right here.
We also have a 4-hour imbalance down at like 359, which should be my next target. It's funny that we have 100 people sitting here on stream with us. Hey guys, thanks for showing up.
Why is it funny? It's great, actually.
It's funny because I don't know. It's kind of a terrible day to trade, but at least they're looking for us, you know.
Yeah, we're still here showing up, right? Well, oof. I'm in a sell. Price action stereo for real. I mean, it's kind of hard for my eyes to read. The next thing that I will wait is this gap. If we can do an IFVT out of this gap and then get back below the opening print, then now it's gonna tell me we're gonna take that. Now you see why I faded this one. But actually, no, it didn't fade. It was like a conservation.
Conservation. We're being conservative.
Yeah. What's up, buddy? You know my dog is afraid of thunders.
What?
Thunders.
What is that?
When it's about to rain and you hear that sound.
Oh,
A thunder. How do you say that in English?
thunder. THUNDER. Thunder.
That's what I said. Chat. That's what I said, chat. You can confirm. Come on, guys. That's what I said.
Love it.
So whenever there's a thunder, he's gonna be here on the stream with you.
Because Angel told me I was mean this morning. Did you hear me?
Yeah. Bushira, are you trading the Hyper Cup? There are now 2 guys that are trading just to beat me on the Hyper Cup. I don't know why.
Oh, sneaky, sneaky.
So we barely tap into that gap.
We didn't tap into it. Not yet.
We didn't? Not yet? Okay. Waiting then. Equal highs now. Just wait. What are you drinking? Coffee?
Water. Coffee. No.
In Red Bull?
No. No, we only did that for a week. I just needed the extra little bit of, Oh my goodness, it's cold. I have chicken skin.
Is it cold? Oh,
Yeah.
I was watching a couple videos about the West Coast and the surfing areas.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's crazy. It's kind of crazy, right? Right now.
You and your girlfriend should come out, and I'll take you to all the best surf spots.
Okay, let's do it. I'm
Okay.
down for it.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. I'll do it. I'll talk to her.
Yeah, it's. Oh, and you know what? Those flights are not bad if you take one of those crappy airlines. Okay. There's a couple different airlines that you could take if you want. You're Raleigh, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, depending like when you want to go, like the flights are not bad. I think what I did, I think I flew to Texas, like Houston or something, and it was like $20. And then I flew from Houston to there, was like $100. I think altogether I spent like, and I only did that because I had a friend that stayed, that I was going to Wilmington, I think. So basically, I went to Texas, went jet skiing and did some stuff, and then we went to Raleigh for a wedding. And so I think I paid $200 max for my tickets. And then it was super easy. But obviously you'll need to like bring your surfboard or something. But I'll take you to all
I think I can rent one. Actually, can you rent there?
You can, but like what kind of surfboard do you typically ride?
I don't know, like a short board?
Yeah, like they definitely have longboards for rentals, but I don't know if they have shortboards. I've
Oh,
never
okay.
I've never seen anybody rent like some of these places though are very deep, secluded, walk a mile or two.
Okay. Like just for surfers.
You should
Kind of
just
thing.
bring yeah, you should just bring it. Like
Okay.
where they're hosting the Olympics next year or something, that's one of the spots that you should go. Like I would take you to. It's right down the street from my house and
Oh yeah. Well, that's
yeah.
great. What's the name? What's the name? What's the spot name?
I don't want to dox it. Just kidding. Trestles is
What?
like Trestles.
Oh, Trestles. Yeah, that's a great one. That's a great spot.
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes from my house. So
Nice. Oh wow.
it's definitely a
I don't
spot.
know why you're not surfing.
I don't like it. Like I surf. I have a surfboard. I actually just don't. It's
Don't.
dangerous.
Why? With the sharks? Just because of the sharks? That's
It's
the only danger.
no, it's dangerous because okay, so there's this one that I'll go to every once in a while, but it's called part of it like okay, part of the thing. Okay, I'm not a great swimmer. I like diving
Okay.
because I'm under the water, but when it comes to like swimming, I'm like, I'm not sure. Um, um, what is this price action? Crazy. Anyways,
Yep.
I like diving. I'm bad at swimming, but I've gotten better in the past year that I've been diving. And I've done a couple like surf camps. There's something about surfing that just feels so scary to me because you can hit your head on the bottom of the ocean, you can hit your head on a rock, you can snap your neck, you can break your back. There's so many different things that because you're getting like especially if the waves are bigger, you're getting so much pressure just like on you and like it forces you into the bottom of the ocean floor. And there's tons of rocks, like it's inevitable. Um, so I don't know. I'm putting a limit order in this little um, M1, as you call it.
Are you gonna take the short?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a
I'm
great
a
idea.
stab
Let's
at
see.
the short. Yeah.
And we're building a bunch of liquidity here. We have buy, so now we have sell side. This price section contain. We have smooth highs. So maybe if you look at this, if we create a week out of that, we can take it.
The city of Fayette. What is that?
Vietnam, that's like Fayetteville.
Bushido. I think I asked you to DM me on Discord because we were going to talk about potentially getting you on here as a guest, so you can trade with us. So do that.
Do that.
Yeah, my limit order is set at like 737. I should do 747 because that's an Airbus. Just kidding, I'm not doing that. Hello, puppy.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Hold on a second. Milo.
What's your dog's name?
He's Milo in Spanish, but in English you'll call him Milo.
Oh, that's actually cute. I used to love this movie that one of the characters was a dog and it was called Milo.
Oh yeah? What movie is that?
Yeah, hold on, let me find it.
Yeah. There's a beautiful movie about a gold. No, it's a golden. Yeah, it's Enzo. Have you seen that one? Enzo Golden.
I haven't seen it, but I know what you're talking about. So, okay, In 1986, there was a family adventure film, The Adventures of Milo and Otis. It was a
Okay.
orange tabby cat and a pug, and they basically got separated from their farm, and they embark on a journey into the wild, and then they reunite with their family. And it was released in Japan as The Adventures of Chatran before being repackaged American audience by Dudley Moore. Wow. Yeah, I used to watch that. Not that I was born in
I'm gonna
80s.
watch that one. I'm gonna watch that one.
Airbud. Nah, we'll make sure, Bashida, that we bring you on a day with good price action. Psych, nah,
Yeah, 100%.
we can't fix the market. I kind of figured today we were going to chop around. Sometimes, here, share me up. Share my screen up.
You just know. Sometimes you just know.
Sometimes, like if we sit around like the majority of yesterday's volumes in this area right here, we're just sitting around this area. Like it takes a minute before we break out of one side of it. So I do kind of feel like we're just gonna sell off, but we have areas above, lots of space, and areas below. We have some double bottoms here. So there's room for either, you know? I think it's just about being patient and waiting for a strong indication of which way we're gonna go. And we're breaking to the downside again. Glad I got out of my long. Or wait, was I in a long? Yeah, I was. Glad I got out of my long. Let's
show us your chart and give us some winning gold trades ideas, please, ma'am.
Some winning gold trades. If this can come back up to 682, I'm getting short. You still have this on too.
Yeah, I actually like this close on the 5 minute, because if you look at the 5 minute, we actually put that gap on the M5 and we reacted out of that gap, and now we're trading lower. So it makes sense if we just distribute out of this candle right here. There's not like a... You see this gap right here? It's really, really tiny, but there is a gap on the 5 minute. It's here. We closed it above, and then we treated it back, and we're respecting that gap. So if we have this close right here, I will say we might just drop. We need to sell off, right? If this is not the candle that's going to give the sell-off, I don't know. Maybe I have to quit for today.
That part.
Maybe. There's no gap either for me to frame, apart from this. From this right here, maybe. Okay. 2 minutes for this gap. I will take this one.
In this bitch.
Oof.
Good morning, Saran. Nice to see you again.
Giveaway. the guy actually. Look at this. The G word. Like right away. Hello. Bushido is fire. I will love to see Bushido trading live though.
We pop out at the party. He ate number one.
Number one. Yes. Yes. We're 30 people here. We have 18 likes. If you guys want to say good things, prices, and good stuff today, please hit that like button.
I only see 30 because there's the 85 from X. There's 113 total. Don't leave them out.
Yep. If you all want to see like a giveaway and stuff, You know how it works, guys. You gotta head over to YouTube, hit that like button, share a comment, and we will pick you to
Yo,
participate.
we should start something called Full Port Friday, where we both buy an eval and we get one trade and we have to put the entirety of the contracts on, and then that's it. If we
Yo,
pass,
that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Yeah, I know. I love it. Yeah, let's do it.
W's in the chat
Let's
if
do it
you
this
want to
Friday.
see Full Port Fridays. Full Port
Friday.
Fridays.
That's a good day for Bushido to come in, actually.
I could see
I'm
him.
joking.
All right, we're about to hit this 520 level that I was looking for.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So
right.
now I definitely know that shorts are in play. I just need to see some sort of retracement to get in.
Yep.
And then I'd be looking for my next level, which is actually pretty far. So
Full Port Friday. I'm gonna make a graphic for you. Okay.
Full Port Friday, yes.
Yeah.
Please. Oh, not us like coming right back up.
Yeah, I would love to see a retracement now.
Let me pass my crypto account. Let me do all the jazz, okay? Make me that monies. This is confusing me. 520. Where could we tap into right now? We got like nothing. And oh, we got like 728 is like the only unmitigated area. Could we truly go up to 728?
To 728
Yeah.
on the first limit? Yes. That's a huge retracement. Okay, we're tapping into the 3 minute. Oh my god, there's no way we're just gonna get back higher.
No. There's that literally that's the only area that it could go up to is that 728 area. But then we're like, ticks away from taking those lows. So yeah. I think maybe we tap into that area and then sell off. Good morning, Tim. Nice to see you again.
Good morning.
Manish, what does silver usually sit at? Like, what's a good price? Is 48 to 50 good or bad? Is it selling off or is it pumping? I don't know because I don't trade silver. I actually traded silver once. And the moment that I got into my account on Forex, I was $1,000 down and it was like just my entry. The spread was crazy. So
like right away?
Yeah. My immediate spread was $1,000 down. And I was like, why would I trade this? Like, you guys are crazy. Trading silver. My friend called me. He goes, I've been telling my friend to like get into trading for a while. It was like, you're so mathematical and like he's a data analyst. And I'm like, dude, like just get into trading. You would do so much better than me. Like you have no emotions. And he was like, past 2 years, he's like, no, I'm good. Somebody comes to him the other day, is like, I just made $900,000 in futures. And he was like, he called me. He's like, hey, like, I want to get into futures. I was like, it's not like they made 900 grand as a mistake. Maybe they know how to trade, but like that was a mistake. Also, how do I know which account I have here? I have my tournament account. Okay, so I have an E81 account with my crypto. Hello? Oh yeah, Zach just took all of his payouts.
Yeah, he has like 4 payouts so far in like 2 weeks, 1 week. And every single payout is like $2K or $1,500.
1538, 2179, 2606. Yeah, he goes, them E8 payouts, yo. I was like, let's fucking go.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. No. Wait, like, do you guys know which sock I'm talking about? I don't know if you know. Sock or Gucci. Okay. Something tells me.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Do you have the Instagram open?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Can you go see if Stoic has opened the DM? Because I feel like he's
Yeah, hold on.
sleeping or something.
Oh,
I
you
feel
say mine. I thought that's different. No, I don't have that one here.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna tap into this. What do you think, chat? Are we gonna leave those lows and come up and sweep the highs? Hold on, my cat needs some attention. Oh, baby. I know. She said, Mom, you locked me out. Why did you lock me out? Because you're so noisy. But I love you. You don't bark, but you're just loud and you like to meow at me because you want food. You always just want food. That's all you want from me. She's so... Wait, did we tap into that? No, we didn't. But we did tap into New York.
All right, yeah, that's crazy. This the last drag higher is crazy out of this. Like, where are we going?
I do want to see it pick up those orders. Pick up my order at 728.
Yeah, we definitely have this one last gap right here. But if you look at the entire session, unless you're trading like, I don't know. Maybe
pick up my orders.
There you go. So you have your
up my
the highs
orders
right here.
What do you have? What?
Nothing. I'm just watching that. Just watching your highs there. All right, this is your order. You're gonna take this short from here.
I do have some contracts on 720.
I love it. Imagine if we just tap here and then we just blast lower. It's gonna be a
imagine we
trade.
tap there and we just blast higher.
That's a hell of a stop then.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Abby, come on. You have to say the opposite.
No, I feel like I have to say the opposite to get what I need. Yeah, okay, so I'm in. Now I'm going to try my hardest to be patient because if this starts going against me, I'm going to feel really uneasy.
Let me see. What's your trade? Your trade is like kind of like protecting this low right here. This high should be like this.
So we did we did some weird stuff. This market is so weird.
Mm-hmm. What are we doing? What are we doing? What's up, Sukuna? How are you doing?
Sukuna, do you edit video clips? Would you have any interest in editing some video clips? I'm gonna mute it real quick. I need to do something.
Yeah, that's fine. Hope we tap into 29,788. 788. That's like the CE of that. Abby just took the short from here, which I think she took this short right here. I was stepping if we have like an FEG from here. With I don't think it's impossible. We just need one more, like a little bit more of a structure out of this area. Right? Of course, it was completely better if we left this low intact and then we tap here first, right? That was not the case because we tapped into that low first and then we came back into that gap. Now it's a different framework.
I love those 520s.
Bullish momentum looks pretty strong to look for shorts. Yeah, I mean the only issue here is that we have London highs intact and we have equal highs, but there's no real long for me to frame, right? Apart from, of course, this 3 minute, which is not too bad actually. This 3 minute, but I love to trade out of the continuation. And this was like what, like 100-point stop? Very crazy to me. Let's see if we have something out of this gap. Like, see this gap right here? If we have a new gap and then we inverse that one, I'm gonna execute the trade. The exit cooking, metal suffocating, silver say, nah, hold my beer though. All right.
I like that.
Yeah.
All right, we inverse that with
Manish.
1 minute.
What? Okay. I need this inverse to get in to execute as well. I'll be this trade with you.
What do you think we're gonna just?
I think we should have actually rejected out of this before, but we still have this gap. So it all depends on what happens with that gap right there. If we react out of that gap and we trade higher, we're gonna aim for London highs. If we inverse, then I'll hop in. One more shot, the last one today, before our guests come in. If he's coming,
I don't know if he's coming. I just called him.
What? He didn't reply?
I mean, he hasn't read my message, so I'm thinking he's like asleep or something.
Oh. Is he from the West Coast also?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. All right. This is the real time, and the real true we'll see here.
Hey, can you be quiet, little cat? She's running all around the room, making all the noise. Yeah, John, I did exit when we inversed that 1 minute.
You out, Abby? Yeah. It's like she is. All right. I don't like this reaction.
I'm also watching the ADX thing, and right now we are full longs. Like,
yeah.
Longs or nothing else. So
do we have an SMT with those lows? Do we? No, we don't. We actually swept that low. Okay, we'll see. We shall see from here, guys.
Yeah, this is a day that if you don't be careful, you just ruin your accounts.
Easily. If you don't have like a daily risk or a certain amount of trades that you should take, or that criteria to take a trade, a day like this will just blow up everything you have. Eval, funded, daily risk, whatever. It's just crazy. Unless, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong and there's someone taking the long right here at the 3-minute and it's holding and has like a great stop. Maybe we should blast to London from here. 15-minute, 5-minute. We finally have a gap on the 5-minute. There is not this one, so we have now 2 gaps. So, with that being said, if we have this closure right here, I'm gonna wait for the price to tap here. Maybe frame a final trade. I need like context. I made like logic out of this, and I don't have it. I don't really have it. What a beautiful trash day. That's how PJ called this. Trash day. This one was better. A 1023. Yeah, I was going through my journal from like 2 years ago. It was June 24th from 2024, and it had something on that journal. I was trading Nasdaq like for the first time. I was learning.
Mm-hmm.
On the journal I had something that says, be careful from 9:30 because there's always an entry, but 10 a.m. tends to be the reversal out of that trade, and at 10:23, 10:24, you'll see the trade. Like you'll see the perfect place to take a trade, and that's from 2024, guys. And if you look at yesterday and today, you'll see like at 9:30 we have like a first trade, and then at 10 that's the reversal. And if you look at 10:24, 10:23, it's like this. Well, we have this gap right here, and we did the same thing yesterday. So it's kind of like funny that I had that marked out from like 2 years ago, right? 10:23. Look at 10:23 right here. From 2 years ago, we're still doing the same thing over and over again.
1174. Come on. Just show me.
Do something.
Give away.
2 minutes, guys, for this gap. We might print out of this gap.
Yeah, like. Man, I'm about to put one contract long and hold it to the opening range high at 843 and then be done.
Where are they, guys? Where's Bushido, though?
843, yeah.
Guys, hit some questions. Hit the like button. We'll finally make it to 30. So that's great. Just keep hitting the like button.
Can you explain to me real quick? Because I never remember like what's going on with these accounts. So crypto account, it's a one account. I need 9,000, right?
Yep.
And then it's a 4% drawdown.
The daily is 4%. The total maximum drawdown is 6%.
Daily drawdown.
So you have 6K maximum and 4K daily.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of money that you can lose in a day if you did.
I mean, yeah, it's a lot.
At the same point, I guess that's like good too, you know.
Yeah.
And then, like, what's your criteria to be able to take a payout?
You have like a 40% consistency. You can take payout in like 3 days.
Okay. Is that the same with futures,
And
right? Futures
no,
is
futures
5
has
days.
at 35. And there's a minimum profit requirement. Like it's like 50% of your daily drawdown. So in this case, your daily drawdown is 4K, right? So you need 2K. That's the minimum that you can request.
So 4K, you're confusing me. So 4K is what you need in the account to be able to take a payout, which is 50%?
No, just 2K. 2K will be your minimum payout request.
Do you have to meet a certain amount? Like, because I'm way over 2K. Like,
yeah, 50% of your daily drawdown at least.
So all I need in the account is 2K?
Yeah, together, and of course meet the 40% consistency. But you need the 40% consistency. That's important.
How do I figure out if I'm at a 40% consistency?
Well, how much is your best day profit? And then you can divide your best day by 0.40. That's your consistency. And you have the calculation of the minimum profit required.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Let me check that. All right. So there's like a calendar for this, right? E8X. Is that what I click?
Yep, E8X, and then you see your dashboard. There you can see your best trading day.
No, my cat.
Your what? Your camera?
No, my cat wants out. Crazy. She's crazy. All right, so dynamic drawdown. So the highest closed balance was 104,832. Start date, target. Oh, wait, no. I still need to like pass the account. I still need to put 9K in it.
Oh, of course.
Okay. Valid.
Yeah.
I was sitting here like, wow, I've been eligible for. No, I haven't. These accounts. There's so many different accounts. There's so many rules. Okay, so futures is 5 days of trading.
After the first payout. On the first payout, you can make it in 3 days if you meet the consistency.
Your first payout is 3 days?
Yep.
So I'm probably eligible for a payout on my fundeds right now. It wouldn't be good, but I am. When did I start these accounts?
It depends on the consistency and if you have like the buffer on it.
Friday was bad because my copy trader on Trade of 8 screwed up. Monday I made the money back plus 200-300. Tuesday I made 1,000. Wednesday is today. So technically I'd be eligible tomorrow. I'll just have to make sure that it makes sense with the consistency. So my biggest day was 1175, we'll say, times 40%. Is that what you said?
But for futures, it's 30%, 35%. So your best day divided by 0.35.
Divided by 0.35. Okay, so there needs to be 33.57 in the account. Valid.
I'm on my last bullet, 1 micro long from 661, looking for the highs. Oh, that's what Bushido is saying. Beautiful.
What?
There's no way we just didn't tap into that 5 minute. We didn't, so I have to miss that one. So for me to take the long, I need to see the tap here in the 5 minute, because if I enter here and I see the price is then going back to the 5 minute, I'll be so pissed. But we just need to tap here. But if it goes without me, it's fine because I know Abby is taking this trade already. So, and she is already in as well. I don't mind it. If we have this close, it's gonna be like no, it's not. Not yet.
Yeah, we're definitely going to take
The highs.
the opening range high. Yeah.
The highs. Look at all that happened. On a normal day, I'm pretty sure we'll just deliver out of this gap. Like, you cannot tell me otherwise. Look at this, the way we just manipulate lower, get above the opening print, we set up a gap. London highs were just here, taking out London lows. Is this trade a good idea, chat? What do you think?
Are you going long?
If we tap into the 1 minute, yep. Oh, this. I'll take this one right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen at this point, but holy crap! We got you highs.
Nice. I just momentum scalped that.
We got you highs. What? Okay.
I momentum scalped it. Okay, wait. So I need to do
legends.
1175.
That's the issue with counter trend trades, right? Because if we talk about being in a trend, going long is counter trend at this point, right? Just because of with this gap right here, and we have all this deal in range. So we might tap here and create a new lower high, right? That's possible. 100% possible. I'm not sure what's going on with TradingView so far. What?
Manish wanted to know, how much are we risking per trade?
I risk 1%.
Yeah, Angel's up there. I personally, I don't like to blow my account in one shot, so it really depends. I don't have a percentage. I have areas in which I have my stops and my targets, and based on that, that's how I choose my contracts. And I'm not trying to risk more than like a few $100. Angel. So
yeah, hold on now, because I'm like,
yeah, you do you, boo.
I'm like laggy at the moment. I'm not sure what's going on.
Yeah, I saw that. You are a bit.
But can you hear me, right? Can you hear me though?
Yeah. Heard, Chef.
Yeah, I'm just laggy.
Okay, we just swept those highs. Now I think we sell off. Okay, so 36.28. Today is Wednesday. So chat, I'm going to put my risk settings on because I will take a payout on Friday. And I think it'll be small, but I have 4 accounts, so even if it's like $2,000, which it'll be around, is it 50%? I think it'll be around $2,000, so that'll be like 8,000. Yeah, we're putting our risk settings on. We're not gonna play around. Okay, let's do a daily loss limit of like, can you guys remind me tomorrow that I'm putting a daily loss limit on here? Because I never do this and I always forget. And then I size too heavy or something and I blow the thing. I don't, not blow it, but. Wait, where did Angel go? Angel! Where are you? Oh no, it's just me. Okay, well, we lost him. All right, here we go. Abby, what about gold? You know what, my friend? I don't trade gold, but I can open it and I can take a look. According to ADX, big momentum to the downside. Definitely selling off a little bit. And then let's see what we got as for like an overall. So when I do like little chart analysis, I like to look at a higher time frame to get a good idea of what's happening. And this was mine. Look, guys, hey, pause. Somebody asked me to do a gold analysis the other day, and I was like, I said, you know, we tap into this area. It was spot on. I love that this saves it on the chart. Okay, so we tapped into that area, and then we got a sell-off. And those are the lows I marked out. So we were going to come down. Dude, I can't even make this up. We tapped into there, and we also tapped into there. So the first thing, we went tap there, and then we sold, and we took these lows. Maybe I should do this for a living. Oh, wait, I do. All right, so let's look at this. So when I look at a chart, I like to do a higher time frame and get a better idea of where price is headed. So what I'll do is I'll mark out, you know, we almost just took this. We did take that. We barely swept it. Let me get Angel back. Yo, Angel, look at this. So somebody was asking for gold, and my chart saved the when I did gold the other day. Do you remember what I'm talking about? Angel? Can't hear you, bud.
Okay, I'm back.
No. Okay, perfect. So the other day when somebody asked me to do a gold analysis and it was like 2 seconds, I just like said some stuff. Look at this. Tell me I'm not a wizard, okay? It tapped into this area, went from there, tapped into this area, sold, and hit the fucking level. I'm a wizard, Harry.
Precision. That's crazy, Abby. You should trade gold now.
I should trade gold. Okay. Anyways, what I was saying, sorry, I got so sidetracked, but I like to look at a higher time frame, and I like to look at where price is headed. So some of these levels that I might mark out would be here, and that's the first thing I like to do, right? So I'm looking at the lows to the left, and that would be like areas that I would want to get swept, right? This right here has already been swept. So you can expect price to retrace after sweeping a level, come back up a little bit, and then continue further. Let me get this off my chart. Get off my chart. And with that, the next thing I like to look at is where are the imbalances? So we have one here. And then we have some down here as well. I mean, it could absolutely come fill these at some point, but if I don't see too much, I'll go to a smaller time frame and I'll start looking. There's so much like gold has been up, right? So there's some areas down here as well, which those are areas that I would also start seeking. Wow, that is crazy. Gold has just been doing its thing. All right, so this is another area that I would look to be getting filled. Same thing, we're gonna go to another lower time frame. And we are gonna look at where price might retrace to. So right now, I could see price coming back into any of these areas here. And over the next day or couple, it looks something like that in my POV. We come down and we take that, tap into that area. And then yeah, that's my cute little gold analysis. I love
I like it.
It like slays in a way that like you can go back and be like, oh wow. Here, I need to go back to what I was doing inside of my account. So I'm gonna have you take over for a second. Are you in a trade?
It's fine. Yeah, I have a limit. It's not yet filled, but I have a limit here. The reason why I like this limit, if we go to 15 minutes, we're just setting up this gap right here. And we have 3 minutes before we have that gap. So we might just rebalance out of this gap and continue higher. We still have more highs out of this. We have this high, we have this high, we have this one, and we also have previous New York high, which is good. It's a good target. So I might like what I see here.
All right, so I need 32.20.
To request a payout?
To pass the one account with my crypto.
Lovely.
Yeah. Interesting enough. Huh. Okay. Theory. Last week and this week, things have been happening that don't typically happen. All of everything is selling off, which was gold, NASDAQ, Bitcoin. They were all moving together, selling off, which means people were ejecting money from the market. They were taking money out of the market. Could have been due to the rate hikes in like Japan or whatever, because that carry trade. But basically, the markets were all going down at the same time. Now, Bitcoin's going down, gold is going down, and the market's going up. And that's normally how it plays out, because you use one to hedge the other. So I'm hoping, like, here's my my wishes. Market gods.
Yes.
That it stays like that. The entire market crashes. Gold and Bitcoin go up, so that I'm not in the red anymore. I'm not in the red, but it's getting to like my break even, like my entry. Probably have like another 15K or something, and it would be at my entry. Sorry, rambling. Done rambling.
I like this.
What if I'm just a swing trader and I didn't know? That gold analysis, though.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was insane. That was a crazy analysis. Look at this.
I should just leave everything on my chart all the time and just like move forward. And then I can go back and look at it. I feel like that would help me a lot. Wow. Where are we going above?
We're just gonna go higher.
I think this high right here, we have this relatively cool highs, and that's
914.
going. Yeah, it's gonna align with the 4 hour gap that we have from the higher time frame, which will be like the EQ. It was the same idea as yesterday. So yesterday didn't work, but it's working today.
Yeah, we have some, like if we want like some big goals, we have 30, 48. There's some relative equal highs, which definitely could take.
We have a strong closure here on the 5 minute out of this. Oh, this is the 4 minute. All right. Oh, this is a 5 minute. I'm not sure if we're gonna tap on the 15 minute. Now I think it's gonna be a breakaway gap so far out of this because of the closure. Like I don't see the price going back here again. But
Can you remind me, are you with me tomorrow?
tomorrow is Ken. Ken will be here tomorrow.
Can you remind me in the morning that I've placed risk settings on my accounts?
Yeah, absolutely. Will for sure.
Place them the day prior and then I forget, or it like shows me the bar and I move it and then I'm like get all stressed out and I blow the accounts. So tomorrow is a 1 contract trade day. If I could get a little 1 micro entry. No, we're not gonna get it. It's not gonna pull back enough. Do 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 do.
That's the way I want to see a pullback.
Yeah,
that's where I want to see a pullback.
Everybody's talking about how crypto is going to go down to 40, and I think it's probably facts, but you know, it is what it is. Guys, if you are here with us and if you're new to the video, we're here Monday through Friday. We serve New York session. Okay. You can find our socials below. We usually have guests on every day, but I believe our guest is probably sleeping. Yeah, we should start sending reminders if we book them out in advance. But yeah, anyways, so we're here Monday through Friday. Love to show up for you guys. Also really appreciate when you guys drop a like under the stream. It helps support the channel and allows us to be here with you guys. We also do giveaways. So if you want to take part in the giveaway, you'll have to go to e8markets.com and sign up for an account, verify yourself, and once you're verified, you'll have the ability to join our giveaways. We do them at random throughout the stream. We also, as a company, we have a lot of cool things that go on internally. We do poker tournaments, as well as trading tournaments. There's cash prizes right now for our trading tournament. You can join. It's free through your E8 dashboard. 10,000 for first place, 5,000 second place. Third place is 2,000 or 3,000. And then
2,000.
Yeah, the first 100 people of that place on that tournament, you still win. You just win accounts, and those account sizes are based off of your placement. So play along, join us. We're here, like I said, every day. If you haven't already, drop a like under the stream. Help us support. We want to educate you guys and be here as much as we can. And stream growth helps us be able to, you know, expand more hours and such. So, all right, with all of that ramble being said, are you in anything or are you still waiting?
I just got like etch.
I can't hear you.
But no, you can? No? What about now?
Hello?
Hello. There's no way. Okay, hold on.
Wave your hand if you're talking.
Okay, can you hear me?
I just can't hear you.
What? Can you guys hear me type on the chat? Am I tripping?
I can't hear you. It's me. It was me. Angel, it was me. I don't know how I muted my thing. He left. Guys, he left. Poor Angel. Angel, it was me.
Okay. Okay.
I accidentally did that. I like muted. I don't know how I ended up muting. Oh yeah, I do. Because I opened up the YouTube channel. Sorry, buddy.
No, it's fine.
Anyways,
Fine.
now it's lagging.
Yeah, I was lagging a couple minutes ago on the trading view, so I had to step out. Okay. Actually, I got filled on this trade.
You got filled?
Yeah, I mean,
Are
just
you
like I'm
long?
finally. Yeah, I'm long on that retracement.
Here, let me see. All right, let's talk about consistency rules real quick.
Yeah,
So,
sure.
is it by end of day drawdown that it's consistent? Like, if I went over, can I just like lose some money real quick and be okay?
Yeah, you can for sure.
Nice. Well, I'll be doing that. And then when you take the payouts, you said it's on day 3.
On day 3, yep. If you have the buffer and the consistency requirement, that's all you need.
2350. 2350. But I'm pretty sure you like can't make
This up.
like you can't do it in 3 days, I'm pretty sure. Even though it says 3 days, I don't think you could do it in 3 days. Like,
why not?
So your biggest day is $1,000, right? So 3,500. Whoa, what's up, Tyler G? So like 3,500. I'm about to take some payouts, brother. So your biggest day is $1,000. Your consistency 35%, which means 350, right? Wait, no.
Wait, no,
Right.
you're confusing me now.
I am confusing myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we gotta. He said I'm making my daily rounds. How are we doing in here? Well, I'm up. Angel, are you up?
Well, actually, I'm about not to be up anymore. If we hit stop, if we have this stop, but I have a good stop right here.
Yeah,
I'll say,
Okay.
unless we tap into the 15-minute, but I think we're just gonna make a new one.
Tyler, come back on. Oh wait, join right now, sporadically. Let's go. Well, yeah. Okay, so your biggest day is $1,000 divided by 0.35. So then you need to. Oh, so yeah, you could, right? You'll take a payout on your 3rd day because you only need 28.57. But if you do 1,000 3 days in a row, then. And then are you taking 100% of that, or you're taking 50% of that, and then there's the splits?
I don't know what you're talking about, Abby.
Me either.
What do you mean? I mean,
I'm gonna request the
yeah.
payout.
Yeah, 100%. I'm out of this trade, I think.
I
Am
don't
I?
think that
Yep.
consistency rules are terrible. I just think like,
No, they help you a lot.
yeah,
Also, they help you a lot.
Eventually, you'll get to a place in trading where you understand them, and obviously there are things that are meant and designed to like make things harder for you, but they don't really make things that hard if you are like a consistent trader. So really it's like, you go from prop firms to your cash account, you do better. Don't trade every day. True. Yeah, you got a sick username, Gold NQ. Good on you. That's cool.
Call AQ. I mean, maybe he trades call at AQ. Yeah, it's kind of messy, not gonna lie. Because we still need to that discount on the 4 hour, but this is holy cowy.
So I feel like the only way you couldn't make. Okay, Angel, let's say that I have $5,000 in this account. Am I requesting 50% of that, or am I requesting 100% of that?
It depends on the account type.
A futures account.
The futures, you can request whatever is on top of your buffer. In this case, if you have 5,000 and your buffer is 3K, you can request up to 2K.
I'm in a 100K account. Can you speak English?
Okay, so once you make to 5,000 to 105K, right? You can request 2K because you cannot touch the buffer. Does that make sense?
Oh, so like I should just make more money in the account.
Pretty
Right
much.
now, like, my biggest day is 1175, so I only need
No, you're
3,000.
still fine.
But I only need 3,000 or something to take a payout. So what you're telling me is I can't take a payout. I'd need more money. I'd need at least $5,000.
Because you cannot request the buffer. So if you are like 3K up, you don't have profit to request because that's the buffer. But if you make like 4K, then you have 1K to request. Does that make sense?
So basically I need a 105 in the account regardless.
Pretty much to request a 2K. If you want to request a 2K payout, yes.
Okay, so 5,000 times 0.35. So my biggest day can be 1750. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. The math is mathing. So then
The math is mathing.
1750 minus 1175. So 575. Okay. I think I get it, kind of.
Kind of. Okay, what are we doing?
Still in your trade.
I got stubbed out of this trade. On this one. I mean, this was London, right? I think this was London and Asia, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. That was Asia right there. And we came back out of Asia. And now we're doing a deeper retracement out of the 15-minute. To be honest, after all this, I thought we're just going to distribute higher, but we just came back into the range again one more time. That's insane.
If you're free for a second, you can start the giveaway.
I can. I always can.
Guys, to join the giveaway, you have to have an account on E8 Markets and you have to be verified. So go ahead and verify yourself on your accounts if you haven't already. You probably won't be able to join this one, but e8markets.com, create an account, and then you're going to connect your Discord to your E8 Markets account by going into the settings of E8 Markets and going to your user settings and just adding that Discord in there. Once that's done, you can go into our game chat and enter.
What's the code?
Angel.
Angel. All right, let's do the code Angel. Code Angel, guys.
Yes, code Angel. Code Angel. Because Angel's an angel. Code Angel. Yeah, we'll give you guys a couple minutes to enter and handle all of that jazz. What is the market doing?
Bushido down for today. Bushido, what are we doing? Is this one gonna hold? 27. All right.
I would not be surprised if we're just gonna bounce back and forth in this range right now.
Yeah, this is crazy. I cannot believe we just came back out of the inside of the range back to the opening print out of the Asia. Like at that point, and we swept like the sell side. I thought we are just gonna distribute, but just taking out the high and then getting back into the range, seek and destroy for sure.
Yeah.
Seek and destroy for sure.
$29.25.
Yeah, tomorrow is definitely another day. This was the trade that I had marked out. It was 2R trade pretty much. Aiming for those highs right there.
I'd say the only thing that is like actually crappy about good morning, AD. The only thing that's crappy about consistency rules is you start thinking about your P&L too much.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
I want to do a little short scalp.
Short scalp. Can I go against you and take a long?
Do it. You've been losing all day, so you've been losing all day. So, like, you know, if you go against me and take the long, then I might win my trade.
Yeah, I like this reaction out of this, but I don't know. It's been just a creepy day. I'm just gonna take this is the last one on this account because first shot right here, second right here.
You said a creepy day.
Crappy, not
Okay.
creepy.
If we could get a closure above
Excuse
that
my language.
All right. Also, this is something I'm looking at. Just as a little scalp, if we get a closure above this, then I have all of this room for a little thing. So that would be a trade I'm willing to jump in on. Just a little scalpy scalp. Give it to us. I'm long, like long. I'm talking about taking a long, not a short.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I took it. Here. The change of state. We tap into the first gap that I had on the 15-minute.
Yeah. I still need to see a closure above that to get in with you.
We'll still have this gap right here.
29.25.
Let me take out the labels. I'm just gonna leave the execution marks.
What do you mean got me, Abby? What happened? Did you get in short? I hope you didn't.
Because he thought you were going to place a short position, not a long.
I mean,
That's
I
why
feel like
said-
you know, we're rejecting this little area right now, so I don't. He said, "Sorry, I don't call signals that like if I say that I'm gonna go short or long, wait until I actually put something on the chart.
Yeah, until you see something on the chart for sure.
Like, because sometimes I'll just say it. I'll just be like, I want to go short right here. I just I get this feeling, and I'm like, if think it's gonna sell. Like, here's Angel about to take his L. I should have got short, right?
Yep, I'm gonna just lock down myself up if I take this loss right here. Actually, we'll see.
So cooked.
Am I cooked, chat? Let me do a poll.
It's almost. I almost feel bad. Like, how many trades have you tried today?
This is the second one for this account.
Yeah.
Is Angel cooked? Let's do a poll.
Is Angel cooked? Is he fried like a fish?
I'm gonna do a poll right away. Start a new poll. Oh, what?
Today's one of those days. If you're in the chat, I wouldn't be trading right now if this wasn't my job. So I'd be out on a hike, getting some sun. I don't think there's sun out right now, but you know what I think.
I guess the only issue here is now this new 5-minute gap here holding the price again, but we'll fight in the 15-minute. So I just made the poll for everyone to see if I'm cooked or not.
Yeah, Bushido said it wasn't worth it to me to keep pushing today. I could have made back some of the money, but I also could have lost more. Yep. Put my pride aside. There's always another day. Exactly. The markets are going to be here tomorrow and the next day. And yeah, there's really no reason to like force trading. And like I said, if this wasn't my job, I probably would have got frustrated earlier and not traded. And I've made money today, but that doesn't change the fact that this is not a day that I'd want to trade on. I could have easily lost money.
100% like me. Like
Yeah.
Angel.
Something about it, I don't know. I just feel like we are probably sitting between two areas and we're just going to bounce back and forth, and it's just one of those choppy consolidating days, which doesn't happen too much on the New York session. So I feel like people don't expect it, but every once in a while it does. And then we get like the big move in the afternoon. So I might tune back into the charts in the afternoon and see what's up.
We shall see. The 5-minute looks so bad for me at this point. Like if you look at this reaction out of this new 5-minute gap that we have, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Hopefully it's not gonna close like that.
Yeah. Guys, what should I do today? Like, should I go on a hike? Should I go to the gym? I went rock climbing yesterday, and I'm going to go on like Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I can't go today. I need my hands to heal. They hurt. But like, what should I do? You guys got to help me decide. Deadlift. I actually felt bad. I was in the gym the other day, and there was this grown man next to me, and I went to do the leg press, and I think I put like 300 pounds on it. 45. Let me see. Hold on, calculator. Yeah. 45 times X. 270. Not quite, but this poor man next to me, he was like in shape. He had like 90 pounds on there. It's like, let me Maybe he was just trying to get toned. I actually boulder and I lead climb as well.
All right, I'm out.
You're
Guys,
out.
let me take a screenshot right here so you can post it.
1175 times.
I'll say beautiful day on the charts.
1175 plus 1750. 2925. All right. I need to like, let me see. 925. Wait. $17.50. Yeah, whatever. All right. Shall we run this giveaway?
Let's do it. I cannot wait to get out of here.
3 O's live on stream. You know,
My God.
hey, guys, chat, tell him why that happened today. It's because his background is white. Nobody trades with a white background. Right?
I'll come back with the dark one, and I'll win. I'll make sure it happens.
Just give
I'm
it
here
10 days. 10 days, Angel. Forget about the color. 10 days, and then you'll have an understanding of like your probability.
All right.
What
Let's
is your
pull out the name?
probability?
What?
Your trade probability, like
My strike rate around
Yeah.
74%.
74. Okay.
Yeah.
So set your background to black. Trade for 10 days. Take 1 trade a day. And then see if you lose 3 and if you gain 4 or 7. And then you'll know that it's not the color of your background that affects your trading. Right, guys? Tell him.
Okay, we have a great list today. There you go. Sending on Discord.
Let's talk about, this is the daily. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's psych ourselves out and go to the 1 minute on Bitcoin. Just kidding. All right, we are getting, all right. Bitcoin. Why you do me dirty every day? You know what's crazy though? That hodl thing. Hodl. Hold on for dear life. It's the people who hold on for dear life that usually end up. Sorry.
Winning all.
So, okay, we're definitely going to come down and take this, and then we need to probably retrace just a little bit. So maybe if we could come back and tap into this area, sweep these, come back, and then get an entry to go lower. Those got to go. But something, should I just like get in right now and just take it down to there? I feel like that would pass my account. It'd be a little suspect. Let me see if I can find an entry on the lower time frame. Oh yeah, I mean here. Yeah, that's about it. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, we're just like going. Okay. So before we take these lows, I feel like we could come back up and then go, but that's a lot of room for Bitcoin to want to move. So maybe it just sweeps the lows. Man, should I just put 5 lots on? All right. Yeah, guys, go ahead and shoot me over the list and let's get that going. Thank you guys all so much for being here with us. I know that we have right now 40 of you are on YouTube, 123 of you are on X. You'll get a full experience if you come over to YouTube because we do giveaways, and you can see the screen bigger. You can talk in the chat. You can ask us questions. Angel's really smart. I'm really dumb.
No, she's kidding, guys.
You'll answer
Oh
your
my God.
questions. I'll just stare. But yeah, let's get that going. Wheel of Names is better. You know what? We haven't done Wheel of Names in a long time, so let me just go ahead and do that for you guys. All right. Is that on Discord? Yes, it is. Yo, TM, you always got the top. You're always in here. You got a nice big list. Nice big list today. Bushido, I see you. Sakuna. Okay. Hopping on over. Bop, bop, bop. Huge list.
Yeah, definitely. There you go.
Bright Tiger. W's in the top for Bright Tiger. What's up? Bright Tiger, the way that you're going to collect is by DMing me. You have to use that username on Discord. DM me on Discord. Let me know your email for E8 markets and let me know futures or Forex, and we'll get that over to you. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. Again, if you want to follow us along on social media to see, what we're doing in our personal lives, you can find those links below. If you haven't already, drop a like on the stream. That helps us be here. We're usually here Monday through Friday, no bank holidays, but Monday through Friday at the market open, New York session. And we'll be back. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And congratulations to our winner. And I hope you guys made good money. It's honestly like a terrible day. So if you didn't, don't feel bad about yourself. It happens. Angel got cooked on stream 3 times. Don't even worry about it. If you did bad, you can't do as bad as Angel did today. Just kidding. All right,
Yeah,
guys.
take your price. All right.
Don't overtrade. Bye.